Zontes 703T top box mounting plate installation, and rear top box installation video tutorial. Preparation tools. Number 10 T-type hex socket, number 10 hex socket, and torque wrench. Remove the rear installation plate. Align it with the installation points, then install and tighten the fixing bolts. According to the video method, 2 fixing bolts at the tail end require washers. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Use the number 10 hex socket and torque wrench to tighten the fixing bolts. The torque is set to 25 Newton meters. Install the rear trunk according to the video method. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Take a look at the channel homepage where you will find all the Zontes models so you can maintain your own model. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.